High above the cliffs and open skies, where the wind itself seems alive, a quiet ritual unfolds. This is not the hunt. This is courtship. Falcons, among the fastest animals on Earth, approach romance with the same precision they bring to flight, but with surprising restraint. One little-known fact is that falcon courtship begins long before the breeding season. Pairs often reunite weeks in advance, strengthening a bond that may already span years. Unlike many birds, falcons frequently mate for life. The male is the first to act, not with force but with skill. He takes to the sky in dramatic aerial displays, steep dives, tight spirals, and sudden climbs, each maneuver a demonstration of fitness. Yet speed alone is not enough. One of the most intimate courtship behaviors is the mid-air food pass. The male captures prey, then releases it while flying upside down. The female must intercept it in freefall, talons outstretched. This act serves a purpose beyond romance. It proves that the male can provide, and that the female is agile enough to raise demanding young. Another lesser-known behavior involves sound. Falcons are not especially vocal birds, but during courtship they produce soft, high-pitched calls, audible only at close range. These calls help maintain pair recognition, even in crowded nesting territories. Nest selection is also part of the ritual. Falcons do not build nests. Instead, the female tests multiple scrapes, shallow depressions on cliff ledges or tall structures, while the male watches. Her choice determines where the next generation will be raised. Contrary to popular belief, physical contact is minimal. Copulation is brief and infrequent, often delayed until the pair has successfully synchronized flight and feeding routines. Trust, not urgency, defines the process. Perhaps most remarkable of all is what falcons do not do. There is no flashy plumage, no elaborate dances on the ground. Their bond is forged in the air through shared risk, shared skill, and shared silence. In a world ruled by speed, falcon courtship reminds us that even the fastest lives depend on patience. High above us, love takes flight, one calculated wing beat at a time.